Oh my gosh, friends. Planner supplies at the Dollar Tree. Oh, I can't even. I have been looking for some of these for a while, and some of them I hadn't even been looking for. I didn't even know they existed, and I am so excited to share with you what I got. So if you have been watching my channel the last few weeks, you know that it is planner season, right? The month of June is always planner season. May and June is when all of the new releases come out for the Erin Condren and the Michaels and all of lots of them. Anyone that releases an academic year planner comes out in the summer, and I have gotten several new planners. I'm excited to start them, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. And it couldn't have came at a better time because my husband and I are getting ready to go on a trip, and he's actually going to a conference. I might try to vlog that. And so he's going to be going to a police chief's conference, which means I have like days to hang out at the pool and at the hotel, and the kids are going to their grandparents, and oh my gosh, so I am just going to be in planner heaven, getting to just sit and only really worry about me. It's great. We've gone the last 7 years. Love it, love it, love it. So anyway, and it always happens right before planner season, right? So it's a great time to get my new planners set up and everything. So I've been on the lookout, like I said, for these things. And guys, they have so many new things. I'm so glad that the Dollar Tree is like stepping up their game. So let's jump in. Okay, the first thing I bought is not new. It is the deco tape. It is the washi tape. It is the thin tape. And why I bought this, I always like the thin washi tape, but I went to the hourly Erin Condren, and I thought that this would be really good to like mark down the columns and different things. So I loved that. And guys, seven rolls for $1. One of them is glitter. Let's talk about that. One of them is glitter. And so great deal. They had a couple different different color packs. That's the one I chose. And then guys, I almost looked past these because I didn't realize what they were. Right? So you're like, okay. So, and I think these are planner related, and you know, because they're like journal stationery things. But anyway, I want to include them in the haul. But guys, they look like notebooks, right? They're not. They're not. First off, before we even get past like the donut one, you know your girl needs all of the donut things. The police wife needs all of the donuts. We just embrace it around here. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, so it has some like journal lined pages, but look, it has some like journal prompts. Oh my gosh, things that make life sweet. So you can see that. Sorry, peeking over the top there. Doodle it. Today I thought about. Okay, these are just so great. Dreams and goals. Yummy, tasty, sweet. I leave a little sprinkle. And see, I love that all of these, and I'll show you in the other ones, like they're kind of donut themed. They're like sweet treat kind of things. And this one's hilarious. It says things that make me laugh a whole, get it, whole lot. I know, cheesy. Excuse me. Random thoughts. That's really me. Yeah, sweet treat ideas, thinking of you to do reminders, and like see all the little sprinkled decor and things like that. So anyway, that's how I chilled. I mean, there is just so many different, these would be great. I mean, you don't even have to leave them in here. You could take them out and make little dashboards, or, you know, use it all together, or do scrapbooking. So many, find your center, that's cute. I can't, last night I dreamt, like so many journal prompts. These are so cute, guys. I worked in counseling with kids in the counseling field before I did this current job that I do now, and these would have been great. You got this, my favorite things. Oh, guys, all the things, and it has so many. And for $1, guys, I couldn't believe it. There's another one I just seen. Oh, this is kind of cute. It's favorite movies and shows, and then you can like rate it. How stinking cute is that? So anyway, yes, I got one that is like the donut themed, because you know, life is sweet. It's similar because it is like sweet, you know, thing, but again, it is different. They have different layouts. They have different different designs, different journaling prompts. So a couple of them are, this is cute, my dream job would be, Oh my gosh. Things I give a thumb up. So many things. And again, a lot of them, like this one is like Life is Sweet. And so like here is, I just saw one. Where'd it go? I just saw one that's like pineapple themed. So it goes with like the cover of the book. So they're different. I can't get over it. And then the last one again is a Chill Out. So it's like the ice cream. And then it says I have sweet plans. So it's got an ice cream cone. And again, it's that, you know, different favorite things. So many cute things. And this one has Last Night I Dreamt as well. But then the next page has like little ice cream bar on it. So it's, you know, oh my gosh. So many. I cannot get over how like cute these are and how practical, like as far as, you know, I just love them. I just absolutely, I love these. Make sure you check. They were in like the little, in my store, they were in like the little mini thing up near the register. So yeah, those were the 3 that I got. Love it. So this is, again, I'm counting it as planner related. Oh my gosh, look at these little, I bought this to put like my little washi things in. Again, I'm going to the conference, so I wanted to be able to put some pens and different things in. And it's just the perfect size. It's small and I am loving this. Like it's very, very mermaid vibe, very, very mermaid vibe. And then guys, the stickers. I have been looking for these stickers and ours had just not gotten them in. So I went to a neighboring Dollar Tree and yes, they had them. I don't know how many there are. I know ours had 5 different ones and I bought all 5. I didn't buy any duplicates because I wanted to see how they kind of all fit, but I'm so, oh my gosh. Each of these have 58 stickers. They all have foil stickers and then also places to write and things like that. But this is the first one that I got. So cute. Like, I love that, like, the pinks. And I kind of feel like this very much goes with, like, the Erin Condren, like, color scheme. I think that's going to look really cute. This one is very beach themed. I thought this would be great if you're going to the beach or if you're going to an aquarium or something like that, or even to the lake. So many cute things. This one, I don't know if they, this one's kind of travel themed as well. So I guess some of them have the exact same thing on the back. I guess maybe I'm showing you the back and front and they're the same. Maybe it's the same 2 sheets. I just didn't notice that. Yeah, apparently it's the same 2 sheets. So anyway, so I guess it's the, I'm trying to think. Yeah, it looks like it is. It is. So basically it's this sheet and you get 2 of them, it looks like. So that's how much I didn't notice, right? So this one, so I can kind of read about it. It has, remember, important, keep it simple. Very, very garden thing, very spring or summer. So cute. And guys, this is so cute. I love these colors. I love these. Dream big. Best day ever. I like these corner light, or oops, I'm pointing to the side that I'm seeing, but apparently it's on the opposite side. These little like kind of triangle ones you could put in corners and stuff. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. So those were the 5 sheets that I found. Let me know if they have more. This is the first time I have seen them. Everybody else has been hauling them. You know how it is. You watch the Dollar Tree videos and you're like, wow, my Dollar Tree is never getting those things in. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we have a newer Dollar Tree. It's a little bit further away and I don't get there very often, but it's not too far. And oh my gosh, it's newer, so I feel like they always like have the better things, like wanting it to do well. And then the last sticker sheet. I'm really excited about this one too with the 4th of July. coming up, so I'm really excited to kind of decorate July in this one. I didn't notice this in the store, but now that I have it home, some of them are raised, not all of them, so you don't have to worry about that, but I don't like raised stickers in my planner. They would be cute for scrapbooking though. None of these I think are raised, so all of these, and then these are just basic letter sheets, which are really cute for not only your planner, but just general crafts and you know, in general, just crafts in general. And again, 87 stickers for $1, guys. Really high quality. Again, some of them are raised if you want to use them for scrapbooking and things like that, but these are going to be so cute. I just love that Dollar Tree is stepping up their game on their planner supplies, and I wanted to do just a haul that was just stationery planner supplies because I know that you guys, a lot of you guys are planner people out there and love all the, and even if you're not planner people, you can appreciate usually the stationery and crafting kind of things. And so I do have another Dollar Tree haul coming up of everything else I bought, but these guys, oh, I can't wait for my planning weekend. And my dream is to go to one of the planner conventions. I have never been to one of the planner conventions. I want to go so bad. But anyways, guys, leave me a comment down below, like what planner supplies is your Dollar Tree getting in? What are some of the things that you're loving right now? And what are some of the things that you're looking forward to as the new planners start, or are you waiting till January? Anyway, I will chat with you about all of that in the comments below. Can't wait to see you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I'll see you later. Bye.